Who came?
Santa.
Santa? What'd you get?
I got that. It's this. Mommy, I find this.
What is it?
It's this, Mama. You see? Mommy.
Turn it around.
Mama.
What is it?
It's this.
Oh, it's a tablet. It's a LeapPad. It's an iPad for kids.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you like it?
Uh-huh.
All right. What else you got?
That's it. Mommy.
You got a door game
Uh-huh.
to go with it?
Yeah.
All right. All right. What else you got?
Mommy, look at something in here.
He put something in your stocking?
Oh,
You gotta check inside your stocking. Let me see. Put your stocking up.
wait.
Let's see.
It's this.
What are those?
It's clothes.
Let me see. Pajamas.
Yeah, it's pajamas.
What's that?
You think it's a Justin Bieber shirt?
Oh.
Justin Bieber shirt.
Ah.
Santa knows this is a Justin Bieber shirt.
Oh, Santa's cool. All right, what else you got?
It's Play-Doh.
Play-Doh, okay.
Barbie.
Barbie, what is it?
Is it?
Movie?
Yeah, Barbie movie.
Oh, what else is that's it?
No.
No.
Strawberry.
Strawberry Shortcake movie?
Uh-huh.
Nice. Oh, bless you. Bambi.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's it? Oh my gosh.
You never read. You bought that at the store.
No, I didn't buy that.
Ew.
Santa got that.
Listen.
Okay. It's Bubble Bath.
Okay.
Okay, open your other stuff. What is that over there? That pink thing, Minnie Mouse. What is it?
It's for you.
No, it's for you. It's for your bed.
Yes, for the bed.
So you can make your bed.
Yeah.
And what's that you just dropped on the floor?
It's a book.
You got a book?
Uh-huh.
All right, what else you got?
It's a breathing beanstalk. It's breathing the beanstalk, Mama.
Oh, nice. Cool. Bless you. What is that?
It's a purse.
Hmm.
And we got
You gotta open up the big side. The big side.
I can't open it.
On the other side is a zipper.
Wait.
The other side. Yes. Bless you.
It's just for you.
Oh, what is that? A charger?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
For you.
Maybe, I don't know. Oh, you have to open up your other gifts and see.
It's for my DS.
DS? You don't have no DS.
How come
I don't know. You need to look. Keep opening your presents.
That's a big one. These are more clothes.
Oh, nice.
More clothes, Mama.
Okay. Okay, what else?
Oh. That's a small one. Daddy is cooking.
He did. Santa's greedy, huh?
Yeah. This is my DS.
You know,
Uh-huh.
you didn't get a DS.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Like that.
let me see. You excited?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
nice.
got the same one like Nana.
Okay. What else?
I thought one like here. This is right here. In the door, okay?
Nice. You don't sound too excited.
Uh-huh.
You are? Alright, then you got two more.
I found a big one. Okay, this big one. It's Princess Tiana.
Huh?
It's Princess Tiana.
Yeah. He wrapped it in Princess Tiana.
I think he got Princess Tiana. Mom, what did you say?
Davey, thank you for my cupcake. It was delicious.
That's
What is it?
I think it's people. It's people, Baba.
Turn it around.
Wait, it's a house.
It's a dollhouse.
Uh-huh.
Nice.
I think those are the cake. There's one more.
Did you get everything you wanted?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I didn't like this though. Yeah, I love this though, Mama.
It's a baby alive.
Oh.
You wanted a baby alive?
That's it, Mama.
That's it. We got a lot of good stuff, huh?
And it's more. Yay.
Yay. What a mess you made.
Now got to clean up.
Yeah, now you gotta clean up. Good job.
Have saved
We gotta get ready to go over to Ma's house because Santa went over there.
Oh.
Let's see what he left us over there. Hey, bye-bye.